Good morning. Well, the Aussie share market is eyeing another positive day. The futures are suggesting a lift of 0.2% at the open as investors continue to focus on positivity and global economies reopening. Now, in the US, travel and tourism stocks charged ahead, helping the US benchmark indices kick off June on a high. The Nasdaq gained 0.7%, the Dow up 0.4%, while the S&P 500 also rose 0.4%, but closed just 10% below its February all-time high. In the US, the standout stocks included US airliners like American Airlines, Delta and United, all up about 4% each. On the data side of things, investors also absorbed news out of China that its economy is continuing to grow. And that news was in terms of PMIs for May. Meantime, the oil price lifted 0.4% to $35.60, while the iron ore price surged 7.3% to a 10-month high of $98.78 on the back of Brazil's iron ore giant Vale closing some of its mines due to massive spikes in COVID-19 infections. Gold came out of favour and pared back to $1,751 an ounce. Now, what to watch today? Well, all eyes will be on the RBA, which is tipped to hold interest rates at 0.25%, given the economy is reopening. But the key is to look at the RBA target, and one of those is getting the unemployment rate to just 4.5%. We know the RBA expects unemployment to peak later this year at 10%, but it's still likely to hold rates as is, given the RBA says that the 0.25% rate is its lower bound. There's also talk of why the RBA won't cut rates to zero, like in Europe and Japan. But if the RBA did cut rates to zero, it would not help saving rates or economic activity. And simply for the matter of banks being some of the largest employers in Australia, and their profits would be squeezed yet again, which would also risk wage growth. Now, secondly, the CEO of pallet business Brambles BXB, along with the company's CFO, increased their stake in the pallet business BXB. And thirdly, Arena REIT ARF advised that it's on track to meet its distribution levels for the year, and that it's dropping its gearing levels to 17.6% following its capital raisings. Now to two trading ideas. Well, firstly, Bell Potter upgraded Agribusiness Elders ELD yet again, giving it a price target of $11.85 after the agribusiness reported a better than expected agricultural reporting season, and Bell Potter expects further cost savings following its recent acquisition and also to continue to benefit from weather normalisation. Bell Potter increased its profit estimates for Elders as a result. Now, secondly, Adairs, their online sales are surging. It's registered for JobKeeper and it's reopening stores across Australia. UBS today upgraded Adairs stock ADH to $2.15. That was a rise of 13%. The stock was also recently upgraded by Goldman Sachs as a buy with a target of $2.40. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe and happy trading.